What's up guys, this guy back at it again for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an action on Google. So it's basically like an Alexa skill, except for Google. You can customize it, do whatever, and yeah, make sure you're so the website you're going to go to is just search up actions on Google, and then click on the first link, and it's going to be this one. Okay, and then what we're going to do is go to our console. Make sure you're signed into your Google or Gmail account. And then I'm going to add a project. So I'm going to enter a project name. Let's do Flash. It's just short for flashcards. Okay, it's going to take a couple of minutes. So what we're going to do in this project is using the actions on Google's provided services, and in the next one we're going to do it using Dialogflow. So this is just a simple one. Both of them are simple, but it's just using different softwares. So we're gonna click on templates, and then we're gonna do flashcards. So for this, we're gonna do the 5's multiplication table, and then hit quick setup. So this is gonna be our call name. So basically, you're gonna say "Okay Google," and then the name of the project. So if you say "Okay Google, let's talk to Flash," so it could work like that. So I'm just gonna type in "talk to Flash." So the "Okay Google" part's gonna be added on, and then you just have to say "talk to Flash." So enter. Okay, so now you can hear the sound pronunciation if it's wrong. Make sure your language is English, otherwise it's just gonna get messed up. And you can choose your assistant voice, so I'm just gonna leave it at male 1. Oh, okay, so I need to change the name. Just gonna do Flash 5. What? Oh, okay. So we're just gonna do Flash 5 because we can't use talk. Okay. Now we're gonna go back to setup. Overview, and add actions, and this is where you basically choose your voice. So like the voice it's gonna output. So let's hear Mr. Montgomery. Okay, Regal Queen. Beeps the Robot's my favorite, so I'm gonna hit next. So now we're gonna create a Google spreadsheet. So we're just gonna make a copy of it and make a copy. Okay, so this is the layout. Okay, yeah, I got that. Okay, this is the layout of the Google spreadsheet. So what we're gonna do is just delete. Well, hit this Control A. Oh, okay. Okay. Wait. And then Control A, and then backspace. So that's deleted everything in that column, and just do the same for all of them. Okay, so now that we have done the question and the answer columns, I'm just gonna edit this. Okay, there we go. So make sure you put the answer, like if you're doing what I'm doing, make sure the answer is like in numbers, because if you do it in like letters, like it's just gonna be harder to type and say. It didn't register that well like I did with the numbers, so I'm just gonna use the numbers. So now what we're gonna do is basically copy the link and then go to our actions on Google tab and hit next. So we're gonna upload the content, so we're gonna paste it, URL. We're gonna create the app once we have pasted the Google Sheets URL, and it's validating creating the app. Okay, the app has been created, so we're gonna go test the app, test enabling, and then it's just gonna say talk to Flash 5, so we're gonna hit enter. Okay, so guys, we didn't do one step. It's to change the intro. So we're gonna go back to copy a flashcards game, the Google Sheet. Done, and we're gonna go to the configuration tab down here. Okay, fun flashcards game. Question per game, you can change it to, so I'm gonna make it Alt 10, question title. And then answer title, you're just gonna leave it. Answer, input must not contain fun flashcards game. So this is wrong. Welcome to the fun trivia game. The fun 5 tables. Oh, my bad. Game. Okay. Is it wrong? Oh, okay. I need to change it to the title of my game. What was my title? Talk to Flash 5. Copy it. Okay. Okay. Basically, I have everything done, and we're just gonna change the title because, just for obvious reasons. Do it to Flash 5. Okay, now that should be fixed. So we're just gonna hit that. So recopy the link, go back to our actions on Google tab, and we're just gonna have to do it again. Upload it, hit next, basically have the same URL, and create the app. It's just basically gonna update from the last one because we didn't add something, so we're just gonna go here. Okay, talk to Flash 5. Okay, for this one I'm gonna mess up. I'm just gonna show you what it says when you mess up. So I'm just gonna write 45. See, it just pulls up a prompt saying you're wrong, but you can try later. Try it again. So 5 times 4 is 20. And then it gives you back that point. And yeah, that's basically how you create your own flashcards game for your Google. So basically what you're gonna, for your Google AI Live Voice Kit, so what you're gonna do is make sure it's connected, your Google, make sure your Google Home, Google AI Voice Kit is connected to your Gmail account. So mine isn't connected. So once you connected that with your Gmail account, it should work. And it's also gonna work on phones, like your Google Home, your iPad, and yeah. So this is what it's gonna say when it's on a phone. We're just gonna hit cancel. And this is what it's going to show when you're on a tablet. And then there's no display on the Google Home. So, yep, thanks for watching, guys. And this is basically how you do it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Peace.